What if the true strength lies not in power but in compassion? In a world where might often overshadow mercy, this ancient Buddhist tale challenges our perception. It is a story that unveils the profound power of compassion even in the face of aggression and hostility. Stay with us, we journey through this transformative narrative that reveals why Buddha valued compassion over strength. This is the story about why Buddha emphasized compassion over strength only on Rise and in the tale of fearless warrior and Buddha. In the ancient city of Rajgaha, a formidable warrior named Unglimal was feared by all. His name, meaning garland of fingers, streamed from the gruesome necklace he wore made from the fingers of his victims. Unglimal believed that true power was demonstrated through fear the demons. One day, the Buddha, aware of Unglimal's terrorism presence, decided to confront him. As the Buddha walked calmly through the forest, Unglimal stopped him and, intrigued by his serenity, approached with the intent to kill. Despite Unglimal's threats, the Buddha remains unshaken. He spoke gently. I have stopped Unglimal. It's you who continue to move. Confused, Unglimal asked, what do you mean you have stopped? The Buddhas replied, I have just causing harm to living being. You, however, continue to harm other. That's why I say I have stopped and you have not. This word pierced Unglimal's heart for first time. He questioned his path of violence, overwhelmed by the Buddha, compassion and wisdom. Unglimal renounced his violent way and became a devotee follower. Moral of the story. This story teaches us that true strength does not lie in physical power of instilling fear, but in the courage to show compassion even to those who seem undeserving. The Buddha, unwavering compassion transformed a fear killed in the peaceful monk, illustrating that kindness can conquer ever to darkest heart. Like, share and subscribe for my more motivational videos like this. Thanks for watching.